Hi, welcome back to this video. We're still on the matter of performing mathematical operations in Python. Here we want to learn how to use the BODMAS concept of BODMAS in performing some complex arithmetic operations using Python programming software. Python also understands BODMAS, and the abbreviation of BODMAS, of course, from our elementary mathematics class, we would have been introduced to this concept called BODMAS. It means brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. All right. So in Python, if you want to calculate, say, this operation 3 times 3 divided by 3, if your intention is to multiply 3 by 3 before performing the division sign, you will obtain 3. Like, your answer would not be actually correct, because what Python would do is to divide 3 by 3 and then multiply by 3. Python will divide 3 by 3. It will perform the division before the multiplication operation. Okay, so what we then do to save this kind of situation is to enclose the operations in parentheses given what we want to perform. So for instance, when you look at this particular operation here, 3 plus 3 times 3 divided by 3 minus 2. All right, so this returns 4. Okay, because why? Because Python actually operates perform this calculation by multiplying 3 by 3 first. So sorry, division, it divides 3 by 3 first, and that is 1. Multiply 1 by 3, it gets 3. So 1 times 3 is 3, right? And then add 3 to 3, that gives 6. Then minus 2, that's return 4. But if your intent was to add these two numbers first, 3 plus 3, and then you want to divide 3 by the difference of 3 and 2, then you have to put them into brackets like this to obtain the actual results that you intended, okay, to have, which is 18.0. So as you can see, by applying parentheses to the operation or to the expression, we obtain different answers. That is because Python actually work based on the BODMAS what's it called now, methods, right? It uses the BODMAS idea or methods or approach in performing operations. So Python will always perform division first, before multiplication, before addition, and finally subtraction. And based on that idea, based on that mode of operations, that's how Python obtained 4.0. But this is what we intend to do. So it means we have to put all of those in brackets so that Python can now perform the operation based on our own instruction. Why? Because brackets should be attended to first. Python attends to the expressions in brackets. Then after doing that, then perform the division and finally the multiplication. Alright, so that's how Python understands or perform operations using the method of BODMAS, BODMAS idea or BODMAS methodology. So please ensure you understand this, so that when you start performing complex arithmetic that are related to data analytics, you know how to play with brackets, you know how to deal with multiple or complex operations. Alright, I hope you found this video very helpful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and leave some comments. And also, if you're yet to follow us on our YouTube channel, please do so. That will definitely encourage us to keep pushing up rich contents of this kind. Do have a wonderful time. Goodbye.